Watching YouTube videos is fun, but what if I tell you that there is a way for you to get paid by doing so? It doesn't require any investment and it is available for anyone in the world. If you're interested, make sure to keep watching till the end of this video so you can get the desired results. Just before I start, I want to remind all of you that are new to this channel that if you haven't already, to subscribe to Aiden and Mia's World and hit the notification bell on so you're going to get notified each time we upload brand new strategies just like these ones on how to make money online, and you can be one of the first to use them and that way make the most money. Also, if you like this type of content, you can give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends though. Without any further ado, I'm going to start right away with this video so I can show you every single step, and stay tuned until the end because I'm going to also give you a bonus source for you to maximize your results. So the very first step is to come over to this platform which is called Rapid Workers, and it's over at rapidworkers.com. You're going to notice that this is a crowdsourced service with more than 100,000 of workers, and it works like this. This platform helps individuals, small businesses and professionals to create low-cost publicity and marketing campaigns so they can increase their sales, they can have better ranking and so on. So Rapid Workers hires people just like you to do some tasks in order to help those small businesses. And you have all of the available tasks over here. It includes from watching YouTube videos, following people on Twitter, signing up in some websites, playing some online games and so on. And you're going to notice that it works like this. First of all, you're going to sign up for absolutely free. You're going to browse some micro jobs, then select the jobs that you like, finish the task, submit the proof. They're going to review the proof and you're going to earn money. And they pay you through PayPal money, as you can notice. So you're going to have your own PayPal account and you're going to see your balance growing again and again. So in order to sign up for absolutely free, click here on a new member, sign up now, and in the next page you're going to put your name, email address, password, your country, and you're going to notice that it is available all around the world. After that, you're going to just complete this captcha. Then you're going to see that your name and email cannot be changed after, so make sure to give the right one. Then you're going to see some rules over here. For example, you cannot use the VPN or other type of masking IP software because you can get banned, as you can see. Also, you cannot use multiple accounts with the same IP. The same IP used with other accounts to do tasks is not allowed, and also it's not allowed to do some jobs that are available for other countries. You can do the jobs that are available internationally or in your country. Then agree to the terms and conditions and these above statements, and then click on the create my account button. So I also want to mention that this platform has been around since 2009, as you can see, so they have been around for quite some time now, and as you may know, most of the scam websites tend to disappear after a short period of time, but this platform has been around for a lot of years. So once you create your account, this is how it's going to look like. You're going to see your available balance over here, also total withdrawals, so the transaction history and some other features as well. And if you go over to the withdraw button, you'll be able to withdraw your money. So you're going to see over here all of the jobs available. You can see the countries that this job is available in, how much money you can make, and also how much time it's going to take you. You can even sort it or just select the amount of time that you want to spend by doing this job, the payment that you want to get, and you can get paid up to $4 per each job. And also you can even select the job name here. By just writing something, you can just get the job that you want. So you're going to see here that of course you're going to do those tasks that are available internationally or in your country. You can even select it over here, and you're going to just open up one of these tasks. If you want to complete it, you're going to just click on one of them, and then you're going to notice some instructions what you need to do. For example, this one is only available in the USA, so only people from the USA can do it, and you're going to see what it is expected from you as a worker to do, and they explain it over here, and also the required proof once the task is going to be finished that you're going to just write over here. So this is going to work also for the other tasks as well. It's the same process. Since I said at the beginning of this video that I want you to just get paid by watching YouTube videos, as you can see, it is a task available for that. It is internationally, so you can just click on that and it's going to take you over to this page where you can see that what you need to do over here, for example, to watch a video, to just give it a like, and so on. So then you're going to submit the proof and you're done. And in order to find other works related to YouTube, so you can watch YouTube videos and get paid, just write YouTube here on this search bar, and then you're going to see all of the available tasks related to YouTube. And as you can see, there are a lot of them actually, so you can watch all of these YouTube videos, you can like them, share, subscribe to a channel, and so on, and you're going to get paid for that task, which is pretty awesome actually. So I highly recommend that you even check out the other task as well. Do not focus only on the YouTube task, because you can make the most money and also see the task that you want to complete for yourself. So I want to mention that I have another platform to show you. Just like I said before, this is like a bonus one if you want to maximize the result, and this is actually easier to use. It's called Follow Fast and it's over at followfast.com. As you can see, they have a lot of social medias available over here. For example, you can go over to Facebook, like some posts and get paid. You can play, watch YouTube videos, and you can even like those YouTube videos to get paid. You can retweet posts on Twitter, you can like posts on Instagram, and so on. So there are a lot of tasks that you can do in order to get paid. It is going to be easier with this platform, because they automatically see that proof that you are going to watch that video. For example, you need to watch a video for 35 seconds, and after that the video closes automatically and you're going to get your payment. So you're going to earn some points that you can of course redeem them for money. And Fast has been around for 10 years, as you can see, so even this one is a legit one, and you can even check out the payment proofs by yourself to see that people are getting paid again and again. Just click on payouts over here and it's going to take you over to this page. People here are getting paid through Bitcoin and Perfect Money, but there are multiple payment methods available that you're going to check out by yourself. You're going to notice over here that they are making a couple of dollars here and there, but it's very easy actually, and you can do the same thing. It is a good way to earn some extra money by just watching some YouTube videos or liking some posts on Instagram, which is something that we'll already do on a daily basis. So in order to get started, you need to click on the join button that you can find over here. Then you're going to put a username, your email address, a password. Just repeat the password here. Then you can leave the referral box empty because you haven't been referred by anyone. Then you're going to complete this captcha by putting the number in the brackets over here, and then you're going to click on the join button, and after that just start doing those tasks related to all of these social media platforms, and you're going to get paid again and again. And they do offer a referral program, so you can even refer new members over to this platform in order to maximize your result. Just get that referral code, and then you're going to share it in order to find new members, and you're going to get paid in passive income by doing so. With that said, guys, this is it for today's video. I really hope that you like it, and if you did, you can give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe to Aiden and Mia's World. Thank you for watching, and I'm going to see you in the next tutorial.